Dear Herr President Roosevelt, as you well know, scientists all over the world have discovered that it is possible with this correct formula to create an atom bomb. I am writing to warn you that these extremely powerful bombs of a new type might be built by the Nazis. They have worked out that purifying uranium-235 makes it possible. I think it is right to inform you of this. I want the USA to be the first country to create such a dangerous weapon. Or else, that weapon will be used against you. The world will be forced to submit to Adolf Hitler. I do not want to imagine what life would be like if that were to happen. You must hurry, Franklin. The race against the time has begun. Yours respectfully, Albert Einstein.
Brenda?
Yes?
Get Paul on the phone. I'm gonna set up a uranium committee to back research into the atom bomb. Tell no one. So much as a peep from you, and you're going out the window.
Oh, Franklin, Paul's on the phone.
Hi, Paul. I need to set up a uranium committee. The goddamn Nazis have figured out how to make an atom bomb. Yes, I know we're not even in the war, but we still have to be one step ahead of them. Paul, listen to me. It's not going to be a major priority, but I'm still going to set it up. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. Chief boss!
General Groves, Dr. Oppenheimer.
We need to make this bomb a reality. I'm launching the Manhattan Project to do exactly this. A group of top nuclear scientists will set to work under your command, General Groves. And Robert, I'd like you to be scientific director.
This is one of the factories that has been built to produce the types of uranium and plutonium needed. We have 200,000 people working on the project in these huge plants. Most of them are unaware they're building an atomic bomb. President Roosevelt hasn't even told Congress because it's top secret.
So we're here in Los Alamos in New Mexico, where most of the work is taking place. Tell me, what is it like working in a factory?
It's a bit weird. They've set up a makeshift town for scientists, so we live here with our families. We're in the middle of nowhere, though. Still, at least my wife won't be able to escape. She has nowhere to run to.
Okay, and what is it that you're making in the factory? Oh.
I don't have a clue.
So how much have you spent on the Manhattan Project?
$2 billion. As my mama always said, you get out what you put in. No country, not Germany, not Japan, no one has put in the amount America has. So they won't get no powerful bomb like ours. Simple.
And I think us Brits deserve a little credit for the success of the project. Do you think, don't you? I mean, yes, don't you?
Yes. British scientists had already discovered how an atomic explosion could be controlled, and they passed their knowledge on to America. We are truly grateful for that.
Oh, thanks.
What? You haven't the brains behind it.
My father was a scientist.
What did he specialize in?
Plants.